He is who put that card there. Who put that card there and nearly dropped the SSP. Good day, citizens of Jamaica, especially teachers, administrative staff, parents, and especially the whole turbid them that are about to return to school on September morning. Now, I am adamant that this new school term will not be operated like a party shop. That simply means that me and my squaddy them, as much as is humanly possible, will be at all school gate, because I have come to realize that some of you school picnic forget that is school you no coming to. Now, first thing, it was a long summer, and some of you catch the pinhead effect over the summertime. Now I am going to implore you that before September morning show it face, that you no find back, you no correct color before you no show up or turn up at the school gate. Now we all know that Vibes Cartel is free, but Michael Jackson is dead. And if you show up at the school gate like you are Ludlow, Pinedo, we shall be treating you like Michael Jackson. You shall be dead to us. If you turn up to the learning institution with no bag, with no nonsense on it, like dunce, we shall be treating you as such and send you right back to your yard. If you is a young lady and you turn up to the learning institution with big woman hairstyle, with your clothes will look like it take measurement in a seawater, or you come here with any form of bashment, we shall be sending you back home to your parents. This is not quad or asylum or cactus nightclub. You shall be going back home. You is not a body. I am also of the belief that every young man should have a decent haircut. So if you come here with any bag of style in your head, you shall... Well, it has come to my understanding that the ministry has said that we should not turn back the young men because of their haircut. But you hear me now, my name is SSP. I am not the Ministry of Education. So if you turn up at this learning institution with any form of style in your head, please know that I will be sending you back to your yard. And if you want to play as if you're tough and you don't want to go back to your yard, we shall be sending you up into the jeep and we will carry you to the station. And you shall not be coming out until about Saturday, Sunday, or until Jesus Christ himself shall return. School is a place of learning. It is not a zoo, even though some of you behave like animals. I also want to take this opportunity to remind motorists that September morning shall be very busy on the roadways, but you can stand assured that you shall be seeing me and my squaddy them in full effect on the roadways to direct you, to give some of you ticket and to fling some of you unruly Jezebel up in the jeep. So if you don't feel like you don't want to feel the full force of the law, come out September morning with the foolishness. Thank you very much for your time and your cooperation, and I shall see you bright and early September morning.